Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful night or morning wherever you are in the world. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin hit my 29k target or 28.5 and got rejected exactly on the line if you've been following my video. Now the question is, do we go down to that 21k? And that's quite worrying. This will be the final B to C corrective wave. We're going to jump into the charts and check. You're going to see me do technical analysis trading. I've been doing it for 22 years, 23 years now. And you can learn all of this in the Crypto Mastercourse number 1 in the description. I trade on Bybit, they're the second biggest exchange. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and make sure you hit that bell and turn on all notifications so you're notified of every video. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Google was up 2% yesterday. Meta was up 2% yesterday, which is beautiful. Two of my biggest holdings. Tesla, I sold 50% of my holdings. My goal is to buy it back at 213, but I don't know if it's going to get there. But that should be the fourth corrective wave. It bounced off that trend line, came to 230, but I do think it will come down because look, you can see there's a little bit of a head and shoulders forming here on Tesla. Google was up 2%, Meta 2%, Tesla up a little bit. The rest of the market got hit after Bitcoin dropped. Bitcoin 27,400. If you followed my Elliott wave counts, I predicted this perfectly. Look at Bitcoin, how it literally touched my blue line. Yesterday, it touched the $28,557 exactly as I predicted. Now, why this is worrying is, if you've been following my videos, this is Bitcoin since the beginning of the year, from 16,000. First impulse wave on Elliott wave count. Second corrective wave. Third impulse wave, the largest and biggest of the impulse waves. Fourth corrective. Fifth and final impulse wave. And then A, B, C correction. Everyone? A, B, C correction. This is why I'm a little bit worried here on Bitcoin, because this should be the Elliott correction waves, the Elliott wave corrective waves, which would be A to B, to A, B bounce, which is at heavy resistance, which could go to here, and then C final corrective wave, which could go to the major areas of support, which I would say would be here. Not as bad as I thought, actually. It's going maximum come down to 23k. There's too much support there. So was this the final B wave corrective wave? We got that impulse, we broke out as exactly as I predicted yesterday. We had long open, it came up to 28,500, then pulled back. It would have been good to close the trades on that resistance. What I'm seeing here is a W formation that could form and go to 32k. What I'm also seeing is the Crypto Guru bot fired a blue buy. You get this in the Crypto Mastercourse number 1 in the description. The Crypto Guru bot has fired a blue buy. And usually it's very accurate on the daily. Bitcoin indicator bot is also fired on the weekly. It fired a buy, and it fired a sell straight away. Yeah, I think this is the final B to C corrective wave that's going to take place. Let's go closer. Stochastic is turning down on the weekly again. We had this big pump and then just a big sell-off again, exactly on that resistance, exactly as I was thinking. But yesterday I stayed long at that point. Stochastic double top turning down on the daily, so it looks like we could pull back. 4 hourly very oversold. A lot of selling in the last 12 hours. It had this pump and then just fully retraced on this corrective wave. Best place to go long is on this blue line. Hourly is also very oversold, but now volume starting to come in. First day of volume we've had in a long time on Bitcoin. What trade would I open? I would open for a bounce off this strong support area here. But again, I still think we come down to this C wave corrective wave, which isn't as bad as I thought. Before it was 21k, but we have so much support on 23k, unlikely that it comes underneath. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin if you're looking for a short-term bounce trade. I would take it off this major area of support here. There's a lot of support here. You can pull it down a little bit just to make sure we don't stop loss hit. So what you're seeing is the price of Bitcoin moving over time. Each of these candles represent, in this period, a 4-hour period. So you can see we had this 4-hour pump and then straight away 4-hour dump straight after, which I was thinking we were going to heavy resistance. It literally touched my blue line. Look at that I drew like a long time ago. It touched it. See? 28,500. And big wicks there and then just sell off. B to C corrective wave is in play, and this is good. We need this C wave to finish. As soon as this C wave corrective wave finishes, then we start the next Elliott impulse waves up. So then we will start the new count, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 count, Elliott wave, impulse waves. We will start that once this C wave, corrective wave is finished. The only worrying thing as well is this is a big rising wedge, which is like a bearish pattern, builds pressure and breaks to the downside. That's also something to be concerned about. But short-term long, we have a good area of support here to take a long. Stop loss, tight stop loss. This is a trade we can take on Bitcoin to get like a strong bounce into resistance here. 9.7 risk to reward, opening the trade at 25,000. Actually, we can make it even tighter. 25,594. That's where the trade opens, as I teach you in the crypto masterclass. Stop loss is 25,393. The trade will automatically close. Take profit is 28,557. Risk to reward 15 times, risking $200 to make $3,000 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $30,000, 100x leverage, $300,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin on this corrective wave down, getting a bounce off this support. So this is the trade, which is beautiful. I'll share that in the Telegram. And also in the Telegram, there was a lot of people celebrating trading. This is inside the free Telegram. The link is number 3 in the description. And you can see here people, the halving is near, sharing charts. His target for Bitcoin is 90,000 on this next and he's sharing these are some charts from history. 2010 bear market, 2011, 2014, 2018, 2022 bear market, pre-bull market, and then a bit of a correction, and then first bull market 2012, 2016, 20 and 2024, and 25 second bull. Interesting. We are in a pre-bull market and people just sharing charts, sharing trades. They made a lot of money yesterday. This guy $2,000, this guy 150, 196%, 425%, 43%, 224%. You can see some of the gain, 28% of the different traders inside the Telegram. 1,200% longing Bitcoin. This is all from yesterday. This chat room is completely free. This guy made $49,000 on AVAX, $8,000 on Doge. This is all from just October 2nd, from yesterday, which is beautiful. Still October 2nd. This is how much chats is happening in our free Telegram. Number 3 in the description. You can see the charts of everyone, 121%. This is still yesterday. These were my gains. And that's pulling back on Bitcoin. On Bybit, my Bitcoin trade is $1,500 in the profits. In this account, 302,000. It's down it went up 7,000 yesterday. It pulled back like 5,000. In here, down 4,000 yesterday. 130,000 USDT, 37,000 worth of Doge, 28,000 worth of Bitcoin, 26,000 worth of Uniswap. Both got hit when Bitcoin pulled back. MCRT holding strong, 24,000, 18,000 FXS down 7%. And my Bitcoin trade is still open. I've got buy orders for Bitcoin at 25, FXS $4, 21 Bitcoin, 20K, Uniswap $4, Doge, and I'm just going to buy. FXS was hit pretty hard on this drop, so I'm going to pick up $1,000 worth of it because I'm going to start buying it a little bit when it drops very hard because it's showing strength, and to have such a big sell-off like that, interesting. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do under the video, go down below under the video description on your phone. Go down below, take the course, Crypto Mastercourse and Stock Guru Mastercourse to learn how to trade, set up your charts, get the indicator bots. 2, trading on Bybit. With this link, you get a $30,000 bonus. And 3, join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. It's completely free. Let's go into Ethereum now. Ethereum trades. Ethereum pulled back very heavy on that dump. Look at that. Just pumped and straight away dumped. Coming close to my activation from yesterday's video. You can see here that if we get a bounce here, most likely it'll be off this orange trend line. This is the place to go long on Ethereum here, off this orange trend line, and targeting the top of this channel. 10 risk to reward ratio. We can make this risk a little bit less with tight stop. 21 risk to reward ratio, risking $34 to make $756 per Ethereum with 10x leverage, 7,000, 100x leverage, 70,000. Opening at 1507, stop loss 1472, take profit 2264 on Ethereum. Those are my 2 trades. Now we need to watch Bitcoin and watch if it completes this final corrective wave before starting the next Elliott wave impulses. But worst case scenario, there's strong support to 23K. So I don't think we go to 21K like before. I think maximum 23K. I predicted that we'd come to 29K. We came to 28,500, my blue line. Now, if this final wave is pulling us back, let's see how far we drop. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, learn trading, learn investing. Right now, I've sold half my positions in Tesla when we peaked the other day. My goal is to buy it back at 213. I've got all my Google, which pumped. I've got all my Meta, which pumped. I've got all my TSM, which is about slightly up on the year, up a lot. Google, Tesla, Meta, TSM made me the most gains this year, actually, and Bitcoin at the beginning of the year. And in crypto side, it's Bitcoin, FXS, Uniswap, MCRT, Ethereum. Those are my main holdings in the crypto side of things. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. None of this is financial information. You do your own due diligence. You can join. There's 9,000 of you trading in the Telegram. Learn all together, and make sure you take the courses before you join the Telegram so you know what you're talking about. Take the Crypto Master Course and the Stock Guru Master Course, number 1 in the description. Trade, learn. If you're skeptical, watch these free videos, almost 4 years of making them. And yeah, have an amazing day. Love you all, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.